This is Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So if you have already bought this or if you are planning to purchase this phone, then this video can be helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. In this smartphone, you can copy text from any social media application or from anywhere in this smartphone. Simply open any application and then tap and hold on the screen with using your two fingers like this. It will scan the whole screen and then you can copy any text like this. You can pick all, or if you want to translate any text, you can also do this from the help of this Smart Touch feature. You can share any image in this smartphone very quickly with the help of Smart Hub feature. Simply open any image, tap and hold it, and then drag and drop to this drag here option. Now it will temporarily save that image here. Now open any application from where you want to share it. For example, I want to share this image to my Gmail. Then tap and hold it again and drag and drop to that application. Now it will share that image very quickly with the help of this Smart Hub feature. If you want to remove this, tap and hold it and then drag it here. On the bottom, you will see the option of delete, and then it will delete it from there. If you will try to open your notification center, then sometime it will open the notification center and sometime this control center. But if you will swipe from the right of this front camera, then it will open the control center, and if you will swipe from the left of this front camera, then it will open the notification center. You can also switch from notification to control center by swiping to left or right like this. You can make your UI even faster with the help of next three settings. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Scroll down and then click on screen refresh rate. By default it is selected to auto switch. You can select 120 Hz. Now come back, scroll down and then click on ultra touch. Click on swipe speed, select ultra fast, and in motion speed select the fast. Now it will increase the speed of your UI, but keep in mind it will consume your battery little bit extra as well. In this smartphone, you can fully customize this lock screen. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on personalization, scroll down and then click on lock screen, click on edit. Now here you can change this lock style, click on this one, and here you can select different lock styles. You can even set different font style and even the colors. Select your favorite one and you can select different color, then click on this right icon, again click on edit. You can also change this notification style on the lock screen. Here you want to show it in list or icons, select this one. And now if you want to change these to quick access on the lock screen, you can also change it. By default it is selected to flashlight. You can set your favorite application here and on the right side as well. After this, click on done. Now on the lock screen you will see your selected interface. When your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center like this and even change the settings. But if you wanna block this one, you can easily do this. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notification and status bar. There you will see the option of more settings, click on this. There you will see the option of open control center on lock screen, and also disable this open notification center on lock screen. Now whenever your screen is locked, no one can access your control center or notification center from this locked screen. Now let's talk about these 4 really cool anti-theft features in the smartphone. Let me show you how you can enable this and use them. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on password and security. Scroll down, there you will see the option of mobile anti-theft. Click on this. The first one is power off verification. If you will enable this, and now if you will try to shut down your smartphone, it will ask for that password firstly, then you will be able to shut down your smartphone. The second one is unlock capture. If you will enable this and someone will try to unlock your phone and draw the wrong pattern or type the wrong password more than 2 times, then it will capture the photo of that intruder and you can easily check that in your gallery. The third one is theft alert. If you will enable this and if you will plug in your charging like this, if you will plug it out, it will ring that alarm. So you will be alerted that someone has plugged out your charging. And the fourth one is Find My. If you will enable this, then it will locate your phone whenever it's lost on visiting technofind.palm.tech. This phone comes with this smart feature, smart panel. You can see a little transparent bar on the right side of the screen. If you will swipe to the left, it will open it. Here you can open your favorite application in floating window. So if I will open any application, it will open in floating window. I can also resize this from the corners, and I can keep on using my smartphone and it will remain in floating window. You can also edit this sidebar. Scroll down and then click on edit. Here you can set your favorite application to the sidebar. You can also delete unnecessary apps from this sidebar. You can also change the position of this sidebar. Tap and hold it on this sidebar and then drag and drop to the position you want to set it. So with the help of this, you can access your favorite apps very easily in this smartphone. You can easily read any deleted messages from WhatsApp. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on special functions. Scroll down and then click on smart panel. Again scroll down and then click on more features. Firstly, you have to install WhatsApp, of course, then enable the speak mode. Now if someone will message you and even deletes it, you can easily read from the speak mode feature in this smartphone. You can record any call in this smartphone without any announcement. Simply open your dialer and then click on the settings. There you will see the option of auto record calls. Simply enable this, then it will record all your calls without any annoying announcement and without any beep. This phone comes with 360-degree flashlight. Simply open your control panel and then click on this flashlight, and there you will see the option of 360 flashlight. If you enable this, then it will turn on the back and front flashlight at the same time. If you want crystal clear voice on your call, then enable this setting. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notification and status bar, and then click on status bar. There you will see the option of HD voice. Simply enable this, then it will give you very clear voice on your call. You can also clone any application or make dual of any application. So you can log in with two different accounts in a single application. Simply open your settings, click on special functions. There you will see the option of app twin. Click on this. It will show all the apps which are clonable in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds, then it will create the clone of this application and you will be able to log in with two different accounts in a single application. If you're using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this notification center, but there's a gesture by which you can comfortably open this control center. Tap and hold on the home screen, click on desktop setting and then click on gesture. There you will see the option of swipe down on launcher. Click on this and then select notification bar. Now if you will swipe down on the empty area, it will open your notification center without reaching at the top and open this. You can draw different letters to open different apps when your phone is locked with the help of this screen of gestures. So let me show you how you can enable this. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on system. And there you will see the option of actions and gestures. Click on this and then click on quick start. By default, it's enabled camera and YouTube music. If you wanna change it to different apps, you can also do this. Otherwise, you can set your favorite application for different alphabets. For example, I want to set for S to my favorite application, that is Gmail. Now whenever my screen is locked, I can simply draw an S and then it will directly open my Gmail. In same actions and gestures, you will see the option of lift to wake. If you will enable this, now whenever your phone is on table, if you will lift it up, it will automatically wake your screen like this. You can open any application in floating window very easily with the help of a simple gesture. For example, if you are using Chrome and now if you wanna open it floating window just like your desktop, then swipe up by using your 3 fingers. Then it will open it in floating window. Now you can use your phone normally and do your other works and it will remain in floating window. Now if you wanna close it, simply drag and drop to the bottom this delete icon. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must enable these two features in your smartphone. Open your settings and then click on display and brightness. The first one is dark theme. It will turn all the whites into blacks, so it will keep the strain on your eyes at minimum. The second one is eye care. If you will enable this, then it will warm the colors of your screen and it will also decrease the strain on your eyes. So you must enable these two features if you use your phone at night. You can also lock any application in this smartphone without downloading any third-party app. Simply open your settings, click on password and security. There you will see the option of app lock. Now set a privacy password. I have already done this. Now it will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Select the app you want to lock And now whenever you will open that application, it will ask for that privacy password. You can also hide any photo, video, document, etc. in this smartphone. Simply open your settings and then click on privacy. There you will see the option of vault. Click on this. Now set a password. You can set a pattern or you can set numeric or alphanumeric. Here I select pattern. Set your privacy password and then confirm it. Click on skip and then click on skip. Now open your file manager. Select the photos you want to hide. Click on these three dots and then click on move to vault. Now it will not show in your file manager. If you want to access it, simply again open your settings, privacy, vault, and then draw your privacy password. Then it will show all the hidden photos in this smartphone. You can also hide any application in this smartphone. Tap and hold on the home screen, click on desktop setting. There you will see the option of hidden apps. Now draw an unlock pattern. It is in the vault. I have already set a vault password. Click on apps, click on this plus icon, and then select the app you want to hide. Click on confirm. To access the hidden apps, go to hidden apps, draw your security password, and then go to apps. These were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then let us know in the comment section. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.